Hey guys, it's Brittany back here with another YouTube video!
That's it, it's time to get rich, it's time to get lit, that's it, no matters the kid.
So the title is right, today I'm going to be trying and attempting to get the new Popeyes chicken sandwich. Okay, so today I got Calvin Klein on, watch, check the fit.
Boy, if you don't get...
Okay, so we're about to head to Popeyes, and I don't know what to expect. Wow. You have to go around. I'm going south. So as you can see by the sign, it is gone right now, and if you come back soon they might have it again. Okay, so I tried all the spots and I tried again and again. They still didn't have the chicken the time I was there, so I kind of just gave up, but maybe sometime I might get it, and if I do, I'll come back to you guys and show you and tell you my opinion. Bye.